Leader of the Chamber, last week Geraint Davies MP went to the House of Commons and argued in front of the Environmental Audit Committee in Westminster that the mud dredged from outside Hinkley nuclear reactor in Somerset, which was then dumped just outside Cardiff, was not properly tested and was a public health risk. Now, that's the same mud that your government voted just 2 weeks ago to carry on dumping. He quoted Professor Dominic Reeve from Swansea University, an expert on seabed movements, who said the mud had not been sufficiently tested. Now, there will need to be a new application to dump the hundreds of thousands of tonnes of mud that is left. Do you agree with your Swansea West Labour colleague and the professor at Swansea University that the dumping should not take place? And can I have a statement on what your government will do differently if the new application is made?
I've spoken to my colleague MP, who has since removed the tweet as he had not actually read the NRW evidence, which he's freely admitted. I understand that the Cabinet Secretary is about to write to all members with an update.
And the Professor?
Nick Ramsey.
Diolch, Clywed.